I'm Annie. I'm from the city of Phoenix.
Okay.
I'm going to utilize a real victim because I like the more realistic feel.
For what? What are you doing?
For a jaw thrust.
Excellent.
Okay, so I'm going to take my 4 fingers. I'm going to put them underneath my victim's jaw. My 2 thumbs I'm going to leave on top because that's what I'm going to use to seal my mask. I'm going to take my 4 fingers and lift straight up. This is uncomfortable for the victim. However, when it comes to comfort and life, we care about life. As I pull up, this is naturally going to open up the airway, so that way my oxygen, when I breathe in, will get into the victim's mouth and lungs.
What are some of the challenges that you see with new students?
Some of the challenges is that they won't use all 4 fingers, or they're more concerned with creating a seal and not opening an airway. So that's why it's very important that all 4 fingers go underneath the jaw, lift straight up.
Excellent. Thank you, Annie.
Thanks.